Here's a Marx tractor set from the 1930s with all the farm equipment with it. And these are all made of metal. And they came with this tractor, which is a wind-up tractor. And let's see if we can get it to move here a little bit for you. See those nice detailed, all steel wheels. And let's see what happens. I think it ran out of gas. Okay, as you can see, nice little implements with it. Actually, this one has wooden wheels on it. Those are extra wheels that came. I think they go to some other piece that I didn't get. Okay, thanks for watching.